Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Whoever said that poverty is mostly responsible for crime and theft in the world, and that a poor man cannot have integrity, instances such as this one that I'm about to share with you, proves that notion to be incorrect and agrees with the position I've held for quite some time now. Because when you see some who already have billions of naira, yet steal and loot public funds, and on the other hand you have some impoverished communities where stealing and criminal activities are yet virtually non-existent, you begin to realize that despite that poverty can make it much harder for people not to steal and commit crimes, that the main problem is not poverty, but instead covetousness. That's why a very rich man can yet be stealing, while a very poor man would be able to completely resist the act. Hence, Jesus said unto the people, "Take heed and beware of covetousness, for a man's life consistent not in the abundance of the things which he possesseth." Therefore, this is one of the reasons I'm not happy with most of the leaders of the church. Before they ought to follow the example and teachings of Jesus as such, and hence empathetically preach against covetousness, but extol the virtues which a man's life truly consists of, as Jesus did, so that people would know that they can be poor, and yet people of integrity, of value. Instead, it's the opposite, as they make poverty to be seen as a disease and a curse, and the poor to feel ashamed of themselves as though they have no value, which makes people want to avoid poverty at all costs, even if they have to steal and defraud others, as integrity and such things that Jesus said a man's life consists of, are no longer observed as anything of value and something to uphold anymore. But it was in the middle of this huge disorientation and derailment that I came across this story that really blessed me and made me know that all hope is not yet lost, for there are yet those poor who still value their integrity more than worldly riches, as they would rather remain poor than steal to get rich, even when they have the opportunity to, and I thought I should enjoy to share it with you. The story of a Bangkok homeless man returned a lost wallet with 20,000 baht cash inside. It went viral this week as the honest man was simply rewarded with a new life, job, and home. Facebook user Tarika Patty said the homeless man, whose name was not mentioned, had returned her boyfriend's wallet on Monday, although the man barely had money and had been living on the street for over a year. Tarika said her boyfriend dropped his wallet without his knowledge. The homeless man did see the incident and tried to give the wallet back, but unfortunately he couldn't catch up with Tarika's boyfriend in time. Not losing hope, the homeless man, who only had 20 baht with him, went to the police station and asked for their help in finding the man, and succeeded in doing so. Tarika's boyfriend was so thankful that he repaid the man for his kindness with a job and a place to stay when he learned that the guy had been out of work for a year and used Hua Quang MRT station as a place to sleep, and he could not help but express his admiration. I was totally surprised when the police told me they had my wallet, as I didn't even know I'd lost it. If it was me in that position with no money, I probably would have kept it. He was homeless and had just a few coins in his pocket and still handed it in. That shows a good, honest person, just the kind of staff we need. Tarika posted an update of the story a day later. She wrote, "Update on the uncle. He is well and eating healthy. He was asking if this was all a dream. Doing good can certainly make one very happy in life." She posted pictures of herself taking him out shopping for clothes, as well as a picture of him in his new home, sitting on a bed and smiling at the camera. It's certainly nice to be reminded that there is some good in the world. Overwhelmed by the rewards he received, Waverlop said, "I'm so grateful to be given this chance to turn my life around. Having a clean bed to sleep in makes me so happy now. I want to thank Nidhi and Tarika for the kindness they both have shown me."
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.